Materiality assessment is understanding the relative importance of environmental, social, and governance topics to our client's organization. So what is most important for them to focus on and what is most material to focus on. There are a lot of hot ESG topics right now, and it's almost impossible to focus on all of them. So it's really helping our clients to refine their strategy around the most important and material ESG topics to their organization. This assessment is based on stakeholder feedback. So we get feedback from both internal and external stakeholders that will really feed the results and our recommendations. And ultimately, it allows for our clients to set a specific strategy around these ESG topics. So it's the foundation of our 7-step process, because without this information, our clients won't know where they should be focusing their efforts. And then we get into some of our other 7-step offerings, which will allow the client to understand what they currently have in place around these ESG topics, any future aspirations, whether that's setting targets and goals or objectives, and then how to disclose this information in a helpful way and transparent way that tells the best story for these organizations and for their key stakeholders. So how exactly do we help our clients do this? First, we develop a comprehensive list of anywhere between 30 to 40 ESG topics that are most important and relevant for their business. And then we map our clients' stakeholders with their support. We provide a list of the most important internal and external stakeholders to their organization. External stakeholders could be anywhere from investor groups, customers, shareholders, suppliers, anything like that. But we really identify the key ones that they want to engage during this materiality assessment. So we gather that information, we gather the contact information, and then we will start the engagement with these stakeholders. So our engagement consists of 3 parts. We interview the most important stakeholders, so that would be only a handful of these stakeholders, and we will directly ask them to rank the topics that we developed initially, and then ask for a few other sustainability insights about our clients' organizations. And we survey the vast majority of the stakeholders and just ask them to rate and rank these ESG topics as what's most important. The last type of engagement is more of an indirect engagement. We benchmark our client against their peers and competitors to understand their relative ESG maturity associated with the topics that we developed initially. So after we've consolidated all of this information, we then roll up the results and we provide our recommendations based on our industry experience and knowledge and what we know about our client organizations. So it's a way of calibrating the results. And then finally, we'll summarize the whole process in a materiality report that will primarily be used for our clients to distribute internally within their organizations.